Alright, so we got it back into the little rubber piece that it was in. So the serial number as well as the model number, all the stickers are going to be facing the way that you look at them. They're not going to be upside down like this. So your ribbon cable is going to be poking out of the side here on the bottom piece. We're just going to put that right back in right there, just like that. I'm going to roll this tape back up, and we're actually going to have to get a new face plate here since we broke the last one. They broke the last one, not me. Okay. So I'll put this piece back in here. Alright. So the black connector goes on the right side, and I won't say white because technically it's gray, I guess. I'm colorblind, so it looks white to me. One's black and one's white. That's all that matters to me right now. Okay. Alright, so I got all those pieces back in, both ribbon, or both cables, sorry. I'm going to put it down like that, flip it around, and like I said earlier, this piece right here, let's pull it down just a little bit. Come on. This piece right here is your N-tile CO2, and this is the grounding shield right here. So we're going to take our X, put it back in. Oh, magnetic, go figure. Okay, so now we're going to assemble this piece again, this grounding strap. Okay, she's good to go. Alright, let's do the face plate now, put all the screws back in there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 screws. Let's do this is faster than what I thought it was going to be. Okay. And yes, I do know I need to look at my torque values. I'm not tightening in it all the way. Torque values will be in the service manual. I couldn't tell you what it is right now. Tightening those up. Okay, so we have that piece together. All we need to do now is add the new faceplate, add the backing, the printer, put it all together, and test it, and we're ready to go.